Hi guys! For today, I will be showing you how to install Pycharm IDE on Windows 10. So now let's get started. Before we can install our Pycharm IDE, we need to download it first. Let's open our browser and search for Pycharm download. Now click the first one in the results, which is from jetbrains.com. Just to make sure, I will be putting the link in the description below to make it easier for you to access. Now, when you are in the site already, you can see two types of downloads. You can either choose Pycharm for Professional or Pycharm for Community. The Pycharm for Professional is a paid subscription with a free trial, and the second one is Pycharm for Community. This is free, but it is only for pure Python development, unlike the Professional app, which you can use for both scientific and web Python. Unfortunately, I am not going to show you more about the Pycharm for Professional. In this video, I will only be showing you more about the Pycharm for Community. Now, let's download it. After clicking the download button, let's wait for it to finish downloading. If you're done, you can now open the file. After clicking the file, the installation setup will pop up. That means we can now start installing it. So here, just click Next to continue. In here, it will be up to you where you want to put your destination folder. As for me, I'll just leave it there for now. Then click Next. Here, I want to put a check on this first checkbox, because I want the application to create desktop shortcut, but that will be up to you guys. Now, click Next. Then click Install. The install will take maybe several minutes to install, so let's just wait for it. Now that we're done, check the box so that after finishing the installation setup, the app will automatically open right away. After that, you can read the user agreement and put a check on the checkbox. Then continue. In the next page, it depends on you if you want to share your data anonymous or not. But as for me, I prefer not to send it. So now we can start creating our first program. To create a program, just click on the plus symbol. Here at the upper part, we can change the name of our program. So I will rename my program as First Program. Then click Create. Now, after downloading some additional files, we can now start on using the Pycharm IDE. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something.